So now I'm going to show you how to purchase cryptocurrency with Robinhood. But before I do that, it is important to understand that one of the big differences between Robinhood and other exchanges out there for purchasing crypto is that Robinhood does not allow you to send or receive cryptocurrency in and out of your portfolio. And the reason behind this is because Robinhood is going to keep track for you what your capital gains are on your cryptocurrency. That way they can report this to the IRS and you can pay your applicable taxes. Well, the problem is if people are able to send and receive crypto in and out of that account, it would be impossible to keep track of that cost basis, and you would have to keep track of it on your own. So in order to simplify that process, Robinhood restricts you from moving crypto in and out of that account. Something you need to be aware of before you put a bunch of money into cryptocurrency, and it's up to you to make that decision of whether or not you're comfortable with being unable to move your cryptocurrency in and out of the account. That being said, guys, I'll show you how to do it, assuming that you are comfortable with that and you want to buy some Bitcoin or other supported cryptocurrency regardless. So first of all, in order to find cryptocurrencies that are supported, you're going to have to go to the search tab and then under popular lists, click on crypto. And if that's not showing up for you, just type in crypto and then it's going to show you what cryptocurrencies are available. But I'm going to go ahead and click on that and show you what cryptocurrencies are available. And they have a couple of different ones here. The only thing that I would ever purchase is Bitcoin personally, and that's just my viewpoints on crypto myself. So let me click on Bitcoin and I'll show you how to purchase. So this shows you what it's been doing over the last week, last month, and holy smokes, it's been quite the rally here for Bitcoin. So let's say, for example, you want to join the party and get in on it. You're going to click the green buy button at the bottom and you're going to type in what dollar amount in US dollars you want to put into this cryptocurrency. So right now you're going to be paying the price of about $39,000 per Bitcoin, but most people don't have that much money to buy a whole coin, so you're going to buy a small amount of a coin. So I'm going to do $100 worth just for demonstration purposes, and then shortly after I'm going to sell it. That way you're aware of how to actually sell cryptocurrency on Robinhood as well. So that being said, I'm going to buy $100 worth. It's going to be about 0.00254 Bitcoin. So we're going to click review. And then here we are with the agreement that we have to accept before we purchase crypto. So what's important to understand is that when you're buying stocks and ETFs with Robinhood, you are insured under SIPC insurance, which covers you in the event of theft of cash, theft of assets, anything like that. So if somebody stole that money or Robinhood went insolvent, you are covered under SIPC insurance. The issue with crypto is that there's no federal insurance policy insuring your crypto assets. So Robinhood does have a private insurance policy, and they also store them offline, the majority of the cryptocurrencies in cold wallets. However, in the event that there was theft of cryptocurrency from this exchange and that insurance policy was fully exhausted, you are potentially running the risk here of losing the money you have invested in cryptocurrency since there is no federal insurance. So that's why we have to review this agreement and accept it before we are able to actually purchase cryptocurrency on the app. Obviously, guys, you're going to want to read that, even though I just skipped it, but I know the risks already because I've written about this at length. Anyways, now I'm going to swipe up and submit my order and purchase Bitcoin through Robinhood. So I just bought my Bitcoin on Robinhood. Now if I click done, you will see that listed here. And if I go back home now, you'll see that I have a little bit of Bitcoin under the cryptocurrencies section. Now I'm going to show you how to actually sell your cryptocurrency. That way, down the road, when you decide to sell it, hopefully for a profit, you'll know how to go about that.